Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5, English version, Math, Fractions chapter, Exercise 6A. 6A. Question number 1. Change into improper fractions. These are mixed fractions. We have to change it to improper fractions. Here there are 5 questions. We will solve 2 for you, number 1 and the last one, number 5. And I think you can solve yourself the 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let us start with number 1. That means bracket 1. Before we start, let us write few things or remind you few things. What is proper fraction? Proper. The denominator is larger. This is large and numerator is small. Improper. Improper fraction means this is large and this is small. For example, 3 by 2, this is proper fraction. 2 by 3, this is improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction has an integer or whole number, integer and a proper fraction, means this is large and this is small. For example, 1, 3, 2. Okay, now let us start with number 1. 2 and 2/3. How we solve it? Let us do it in the simplest way. This equals to, keep the denominator as it is, 3, multiply the integer, multiply by the denominator, 3. Then add these to numerator, 2, equals to 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 by 3, answer 8 by 3. Is this improper fraction? Yes, because 8 is larger than 3. We'll do 4 for you. Okay, 4. 6 and 3 by 10 equals to, as I said, 10 remains same, the denominator is same, then integer 6 multiply by the denominator 10 and then add the numerator, equals to 63 by 10. Answer 63 by 10. Now 5. 20 and half. 20 and half equals to. So what is the denominator? 2. Numerator 1. What is the integer? 20. Okay. So denominator remains same. Integer into denominator plus numerator equals to 40 plus 1 by 2 equals to 41 by 2. That is the answer. 41 by 2. Thank you very much. I hope you can solve yourself number 2 and 3. It is so easy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.